Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a backup exists. Time Machine or a clone protects data. Next, reboot into recovery by choosing Restart, then holding Command-R. This ensures the startup disk is unmounted for safe fixes. Once booted, open Disk Utility from the Utilities menu and enable Show All Devices so you see containers and physical disks. Make sure to select the correct device, not just a volume, because repairs at the container level differ from file-level checks. Now select the physical disk or the app's container and click First Aid. This checks file system integrity and repairs common issues. If Disk Utility reports errors, run First Aid again. Sometimes multiple passes are needed. When errors persist, inspect SMART, status and the partition map. You can use Terminal for advanced commands like Diskutal Verify Disk. Pay attention to warnings about bad blocks or corrupt containers, because those change the next steps you take to preserve data. Finally, decide on Repair versus Restore. If First Aid and Verify Disk cannot fix issues, clone the drive and restore from your backup. This minimizes downtime. If you must erase the disk, choose Apps for SSDs or macOS Extended for older systems, then reinstall macOS from recovery. If symptoms suggest hardware failure, click Noise Repeated SMART failure. Stop and contact Apple or a certified provider. Do not attempt DIY fixes when
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.